is Dr. Amar Rashidi, Professor, AJIT Civil Engineer Department, Mangalore. Okay, now continue. Import reservoir. During the summer, the water which is flowing in the river may be not sufficient to feed the town. On the other hand, during the rainy season, it may be difficult to operate due to the flood water. Therefore, hydraulic structures are constructed across the river valley, forming the reservoir. The quantity water in the reservoir too is not too much different from the lake water, while top water pools develop algae. Bottom layer water may be high turbidity, CO2, iron, and magnesium, and on occasion H2S. It consists of a intake well is placed near the dam and uh, connected to the top of the dam by footbridge. The intake pipe are located at the different level of common vertical pipe. The valves of intake pipe are operated from the top and they are installed in a valve room. Each intake pipe proven well mouth entry with the uh, perforation of the fine skin on its surface. The outlet pipe is taken out through the body of the dam. The outlet pipe should be supported. The location of intake pipes are at the different level ensure the supply of water from a level lower than the surface level of water. Uh, when the valves of an intake pipe are opened, the water drawn off from the reservoir to the outlet pipe through the common vertical pipe to reach up to the bottom of intake flow from the valve room. The step should be proven zigzag manner. Next, we go for the underground sources or subsurface. Surface sources we have already finished. Now, subsurface, underground source. In nothing but sources with regard to quantity and quality of rain propagation propagating into the ground and capping beyond reach of vegetation and either collecting underground basin or flowing underground in a surface stream consisting groundwater source. Generally, water is clear and colorless, but it is harder than the surface water of the region when in which they occur. In limestone formations, groundwater is very hard and dispositive nature in pipelines. The granite formation they are soft. Okay, the water as it strips down comes in contact with the organic and inorganic substances during the passage through the ground and acquires chemical characteristics represented representative of starter it passes. Bacteria locally, groundwater is much better than the surface water except the surface pollution exists. Okay, one by one we will go spring. You can see the figure of the spring. Okay, spring. Okay, spring sometime water reappear at the ground surface in the form of springs. Okay, spring generally supplies small quantity of water and hence suitable for the hilltops. Some spring discharge hot water due to the presence of sulfur and useful to certain uh, skin disease patients. Okay, gravity spring when the surface of earth drops sharply, the water-bearing stratum is exposed to the atmosphere and gravity spring is formed. Okay, this is spring groundwater spring. Okay, surface spring is formed when the impersed stratum which is supporting the groundwater reservoir become outcrop. Okay, surface spring is the form. impermeable stratum which is supporting the groundwater. You can see the groundwater. This is the spring. Okay, surface spring. This is the surface spring. Okay, groundwater trace. Okay, in the surface. This is the impermeable stratum in the surface. Okay, strata will we can show the surface. Artesian spring, when the groundwater rises to the fissure in an upper impermeable stratum, when the water bearing of stratum has too much hydraulic gradient and it is closed between two imperative stratum, the formation of artesian spring from the deep seated spring. Okay, this is the artificial spring, artesian spring. Okay, the water bearing stratum of too much hydraulic gradient and closed between two impressive stratum, the formation of artesian spring, deep seated spring. Okay, you can see the artesian spring. Okay, water will come up due to the pressure and it is taken away. Okay, for the use purpose. Okay. Now we go for the wells. The spring became we finished spring. Wells. Wells are defined as the artificial hole or a pit made in the ground for the purpose of tapping the water. In India, 75 to 85% of Indian population depend upon well for the water supply. The three factors which form the basic theory of well are geologic condition of the earth's surface, porosity of the various layer, velocity, quantity of water which absorbs to store a different layer. Okay, there are different types of well: shallow well, deep well, tube well, artesian well. Okay, there are different types of well: shallow well, deep well, tube well, artesian well. Shallow well constructed uppermost layer of the earth's surface. A diameter of the well varies from 2 to 6 meter. Maximum depth is 7 meters. Shallow well may be lined or unlined from inside. Figure as shows a well is lining. Okay. This well is called draw well or gravity well or open well or drag well or propagation well. The quantity of water available from the shallow well is limited to the source of supply uppermost layer of the earth only sometime, maybe even dry summer. Hence, uh, they are not suitable for public water supply scheme. The quantity of water obtained from the shallow well is better than the river water but requires purification. Shallow well should be constructed away from the septic tank socket because contamination of effluent. The shallow well are used to source of water in a small village. Okay, small village undergoes municipality town isolated building because limited supply and bad quality of water. Okay, this is the shallow well about 6 meter. Okay, about 6 meter to 7 meter maximum. This is small well. Okay, then we go for the deep well. Deep well is obtained their quota of the water from the aquifer below. The impressive layer as shown. The theory of deep well based on the travel of the water from outcrop site of the deep well. Outcrop of the place where aquifer exposed to the atmosphere. Rainwater enter to the outcrop get truly purified when it reaches to the site of deep well. But it dissolved the certain salt therefore becomes hard. In such cases, some treatment would be necessary to remove the hardness of water. That well should be decided to the way of location outcrop, not very near to the site of well. The well available to the pressure, a greater atmospheric pressure. Therefore, this well also referred as pressure well. Okay, deep well, outcrop. Okay, this is the deep well. Okay, tube well. Tube wells, these are the well have been sunk by drilling machine, design construction, attraction bore well. This machine able to penetrate through harder material cannot tracked by hand digging and certain passes through at least impermeable layer of the rock productive aquifer underneath. They are obtained from the depth of ranging 30 to 60 meter but the large urban supply boreholes can much deeper than this. The casing of metal or plastic pipe usually necessary line of borewell and prevent the soil and rock collapsing into it. Okay. Uh, the lower part of the casing must have suitable opening and allow the water entered into borewell from the aquifer, though in the hard rock. Okay, this is about the tube well. Then we go for the artesian well. Okay, all figures artesian well. Okay, well is formed from the flowing under the natural pressure without pumping. It is drilled whatever gently dipping, wherever gently dipping, permeable rock layer or sandstone, receiving the water along the outcrop uh, at the level higher than the level of the surface of the ground well site. At the outcrop, the well moves down the aquifer, uh, but it is prevented from leaving by the impermeable rock layer above and below it. Okay, pressure from the water weight forces the water to surface well drilled down into aquifer. The pressure for the steady upflow is maintained by containing the penetration of the water into aquifer at the intake area. In the place where overlying impermeable rocks are broken by the joint or fault, water may escape through them and rise to the surface of artesian springs. In some areas, it is mountain ridge that receiving the precipitation, rapid development of new well through the over drilling. However, this tend to reduce the head pressure and make the artesian system. As a result, artesian well are not now outfitted with a pump. Okay, there are two types you can see. Okay, okay, surface two types of surface source and surface source. In the surface source, you can see we can see the water above the ground. Okay, like river, like lake, pond, and okay, we are like in ocean. Ocean we are not using today. Okay, oceans this in the area where there is a like in abroad like UAE, where the desert area where there is water is not available area. They are using the ocean water. Okay, desalination process we are using ocean water. But in India, we are using surface water and subsurface. Surface water we are using pond for small purpose for water, and we are mainly using the reservoir. Okay, dams, reservoir, river. When summer river may be dry up. Okay, dried due to the climatic condition, and it may be summer. Okay, then we go for the dam reservoir. For them, we will collect the water for the intake. Okay, and subsurface is quality is good, but available quantity is less. Okay, like springs and artesian well, deep well, and bore well, etc. The quantity is less. So this is very difficult to get the more quantity of water. Okay, surface water with more quantity. This is about the surface and surface of the water.